Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into a problem that many of us face when dealing with systems of linear equations in Excel. You see, the issue arises when Excel tries to solve an undeterminate system of 4 linear equations with 4 unknowns. It can lead to incorrect results, leaving us scratching our heads wondering what went wrong. Now, let's talk about the solution to this pesky problem. If the determinant of a system is close to 0 due to rounding errors, Excel might give us a random answer when attempting to solve it. In such cases, we can treat one of the unknowns as a parameter and omit an equation that is a linear combination of the others. By adjusting the values accordingly, we can find a solution for the remaining unknowns. It's all about understanding the nuances of the system and working around Excel's limitations. In summary, when faced with an indeterminate system of equations in Excel, keep an eye out for rounding errors that could throw off the solution. By treating one of the unknowns as a parameter and adjusting the values accordingly, you can find a correct solution to the problem at hand. And with that, we wrap up today's video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy Excel-ing!